Hi everyone, welcome back. Outgoing calls not working on your Leica mobile. In this video, we will show you how to fix it in a few simple steps. Let's get started. Why Leica mobile outgoing calls not working? The reason why Leica mobile outgoing calls may not be working is often related to issues with the SIM card network connectivity, insufficient account balance, or settings misconfiguration. Fix 1. Refresh your network connection. There might be an issue with the network signal and the SIM unable to fetch the strong connection. Restarting airplane mode will make the phone to establish connection with strong signal. Swipe down the quick settings, turn on airplane icon, wait for 30 seconds, turn off airplane mode. Fix 2. Restart your device. The process refreshes the device's operating system and reloads necessary software components, including network settings, which can restore proper connectivity. Restarting an Android device. Press and hold the power button, select restart or power off from the menu that appears after a few seconds. Turn the device back on by pressing the power button again. Restarting iPhone. Press and hold the side button along with one of the volume buttons until the power off slide appears. Slide to power off, then wait a few seconds before turning it back on by holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Fix 3. Reinsert your SIM. By reinserting the SIM, you prompt the device to re-register with the mobile network. This can resolve issues related to network recognition and improve the ability to make outgoing calls. iOS, use a SIM ejector tool to open the SIM tray located on the side of your iPhone. Remove the SIM card, check its orientation, and place it back into the tray securely. Reinsert the tray into the iPhone until it clicks into place. Android, locate the SIM tray usually on the side or back of your Android device and use a SIM ejector tool to remove it. Take out the SIM card, ensure it is correctly oriented, and place it back in the tray. Slide the tray back into the device until it is fully seated. Fix 4. Reset network settings. The action restores the device's network configuration to their default state, which can fix problems caused by incorrect settings or outdated configurations. It also clears saved Wi Fi networks and Bluetooth connections, allowing for a fresh start in establishing connections. For iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then go to Transfer or Reset iPhone, then go to Reset, then Reset Network Settings. For Android, go to Settings, then System, Reset Options, Reset Wi Fi Mobile and Bluetooth, and Confirm. Fix 5. Check Balance. Your plan might have expired or used up the balance. Check your balance and usage details. Recharge it if necessary. Method 1. Log into the app or website. Open the Leica mobile app or visit the Leica website and log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to account balance. Once logged in, look for the section labeled account balances or my account where you can view your current balance. Method 2. Using code. Dial star 611 hash from your Leica mobile handset. This will promptly provide information about your active plan, including its current status and remaining data allowances. To add payment, go to Leica mobile top up page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Enter your mobile number, select your plan details that suits your need, add payment method, follow prompts to add balance.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.